When you guys go to hospital, have you guys seen a robot like this or like this? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make it on your own.
Okay, so now we're doing the robot part. We will turn on the robot and we will turn on the laptop. We have to connect the same Wi-Fi. So I'm using my phone Wi-Fi is Michelle, and the robot also already connect to Michelle. So what to do next, you have to find remote in your desktop and then put the number of the host name in the from the robot, and then you can click connect, and then you have this page. You can click I and then I for the password, then you can enter. And now the window of the Ubuntu in the Raspberry will open. So how this works? The robot have Raspberry Pi, this one. So this thing work like a computer. So now we're using a remote to control a computer in the robot. So now we can use the code in here. So I will change to a screen record so you can see more clearly.
Okay, so now we open for terminal and then we type sudo /bringup.sh to allow the robot to see what is the angle of the encoder and the MPU, so the robot know where it at. And then next we have to type sudo /gmap.sh to start the LiDAR on top of the robot so we can see around of the robot, and then the robot will make a map with it. So we have to wait for a while until it open. So now it's already open. We will slide it out on the side so we can click the terminal, and then we do sudo /teleop.sh to be able to control the robot on the laptop.
So this is how it works. You click I, the robot will go forward. Okay, this is I and this is the robot. If I click I, only this one, the robot will moving forward. You can see in the map, and you can see here in the real life when I click it will go forward. So how to click the map, we will use the robot to control it moving around like this. So we take it around the place everywhere so we can get the map. And this is the map gonna show, like this is the wall and this is the empty place. So we can use the robot to go here, go everywhere to get the map. And all this stuff is the leg of the table. So we don't like this. We want empty space like this. So when the robot don't see this one, because the distance is too far, the robot gonna think there's nothing in front. So it can see only around here.
Okay, so now we're gonna do measurement after we finish the map. We have to do calibration of the robot, how far it have to go. Is it already correct for 1 meters? Is it already do 360 correctly or no? So we will have to do bring up first to be able to see the encoder and the MPU, and then now we have to do sudo robot, and then to open the menu, and then we have to choose RQT and linear or angular. So first we do angular, and if we do 360 we have to click on the small square right on the corner on the right. So now I already have the robot, and I'm gonna click start right now to see if the robot do 360. Now it start, and then we will see if it already do 360 or not. So as you can see, it's not 360. So how to find it? We have to do the robot. We have to look at the robot, what is the angle of it. So we have to do a triangle like this, and now we have 90 degrees here. Now we have to see how long is the length of the angle here and here. So we can calculate to find the angle right here. What is it? That's all. So now we finished the part of the 360 degrees. So now we have to find the angle on the linear. So we put the robot at that line, and then let's see how long is the one block of the floor. So we can see it's 30 centimeters, so we need 3 blocks and 10 more centimeters. So I put the ruler here. So now we're gonna try for 1 meters how long is it gonna go. So we stop right here. It's 91 centimeters, so we have to plus a little bit more, maybe 1.1, and let's see will it touch 1 meters. So I will put the robot here, the line in the middle of the wheel, and we click start again. So now it's going, and it's stop exactly on 1 meters. So I will keep this number. So after we finish calibration, we will open the file. Start with salarobot.sh, and then we do src, and then salarobot, and then that salarobot build, and then we do salarobot again, and we go to src, and the last one is salar/base cpp. And you can see here it will show a number. I already adjust it, so normally you will get 1.15, but you can take the number that you get, like 1.1, so you divide by 1.15, you will get this number. And you have to do it for x and y, and then for angular you just take the angle and divide by the 1.15 again. This is the number again. So now we're doing the code part. This is the code that professor gave me, and this is the code I do it myself. So I have the location of 1102, 1103, 1104 and 1105 that's already collected. So the robot have to start using the camera, and then they have to control the moving base to the location that we set it. And then after it finish, it have to show that the robot already arrived at the place, and then they have to adjust all the angle, the linear, the speed, and the angular where it have to go. So after you finish, you have to do bringup.sh and do sudo/navigate.sh to open the map that we already created before. After we finish typing the navigation, we have to wait for a while because the map have to boot a lot because the map is kind of really big. After it open, you can see the camera open on corner left on the bottom. So now we have to spin the map to make us see it clearly where we're facing right now. So as you can see, the robot is in front of 1102 and it's facing outside of the building. And this is the old map I already collected before. As you can see, you have to put a red line aligned to the wall. You can adjust it with the green arrow on top of the screen, and you can use the 2D, the pink one, to control the robot to go any place in the map. And then you have to align the red line to the wall also to make sure that the robot is facing right place. So now I'm gonna go open the Python that I already write down. I do ./cam3.py. This is the name I already made it. So how this work? The camera on the left corner will looking for the QR code, and if the camera see the QR code, it will move to the place, the location that I already said before. Right now the camera already run and the server moving back already connect. So now I will show you how to use.
Okay, so now this is the set hole for the robot. I will use this QR to scan. For this room is 1102, 1103, 1104 and 1105. So we will start from 1102 to 1103. So the robot should go to in front of the 1103 and facing outside of the building. So what to do is I will put this QR on top of the robot using that camera to scan. I put this on top of the robot and the robot scan this one and it goes to the place that we make it. Okay, so now the robot stay on place at the right place. So now we will move to the next station. We will move from 1103 to 1104 by using this QR number 2. Put it on top of the robot, scan, and the robot will go. So now the robot is at 1104. So now I will take the robot to 1105 using this QR code and we will put a laptop right there to block the robot. So the robot have to move around that one. Putting the QR, the robot go. So now the robot is at 1105. I will take the robot to 1102 by using this QR code and I put some laptop again to block the robot. So the robot have to move on. And after this I will not do editing. The robot have to go by on its own. And we use time lapse. So now you can see the robot going straight this way and it will hit the mirror. So what will the robot do? Let's see. It will turn left slightly to move away from the mirror and it will go straight. This is not programming, it's think by its own. It will not hit anything. They're using radar to detect everything in front of it and it will stop and move around. So now you can see the robot is here and it will stop there and move back to charging spot. So it will take a while and then the robot will move back. So this is the charging place of the robot. You can see it's the exactly same the spot it used to be before.
And thank you guys for watching. See you next video.